Oh, too close, too close. Ah! Slide in. Stop moving. Close the front, yeah. What's up today, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just gonna update you on what I'm doing and what's been going on. Plus, I've got a box to unbox. I'm not gonna do the whole hand thing right now because we're right. First things first, I screwed up. This is the TRD. This is the TRD Tundra body for the HPI short course I've got, but I don't have enough paint. Bright red mica, bright mica red. I had like a quarter can left. Gotta wait for this one to come. I have a box. Let's unbox it together. This will be another separate video, some details on it because I don't know, maybe not. We'll see. That's right, it's the Jax Accord. I totally missed out when Tamiya had this out, and anyway, I totally missed out on this model when I was much younger. So glad I could get it now. It was the last piece in stock on L&L models, so I had to do it. It was expensive. It was like $40 Canadian just to ship it here. So, I mean, $40 Canadian, that could buy me another body. Hopefully this is worth the cost of two bodies. What else been going on? I've got a bunch of pre-orders that I'm waiting for. Got the TD4, Blockhead Motors, Wild One, the white Porsche Relent, the Bentley Bronco Axial. I ordered a Mini Z Jimny to my Mini Z collection. I've got a large Mini Z collection. You saw the Accord body, you saw the short course body. I've got to take apart the quad track to clean and put that on video. If I haven't already done that, by the time you see the video. A bunch of driver figures for a couple of the cars. Also need to get a chassis ready for indoor season. So much to do. Oh man. One question though. I want to change the body on my quad track. What would look cool with tracks on it? What do you think? I have zero idea right now. I have no contenders. I have nothing on my mind and I'm not sure what I want. But I do know I want a different body. Anyway, there's my update. Thanks for joining me, guys. Now we'll do the hand thing.